Food. Hi everyone, my name is Olga and today I'm going to tell you mind-blowing facts about Ukrainian food. There are two places in the world where it is difficult to buy a bad meal: Italy and Ukraine. Ukrainians are foodies. Food is an important part of Ukrainian culture. It has developed over many centuries. Ukrainian cuisine was mainly based on the products obtained from farming. Ukrainians have been growing rye, wheat, barley, buckwheat and oats. The food here is usually pretty rich in fat. It's generally not spicy. Bread and other baked products are considered to be staple food, together with potatoes, which are very popular. Meat is typically stewed, baked or boiled in households. Steaks are found mainly in restaurants. Seafood is not abundant, since the most of the country has no access to the sea, and the access that we do have is to the Black Sea, which cannot boast a huge variety of popular seafood. Ukrainian cuisine is very vibrant and diverse, just like Ukrainians itself. We have world-famous dishes. I will shortly tell you about them. Borsch, cabbage and beet baked soup, usually with pork or beef meat served with sour cream. Salo, salted pork fat, with or without garlic and pepper. Salo is a traditional condiment for borsch. Try them together. Pampushki, small baked breads, often buttered and topped with garlic and dill. Varenyky, boiled dumplings stuffed with savory meat, potato or cabbage, or sweet cherries, strawberries or cheese. Holubtsi, cabbage rolls stuffed with rice and minced meat. Chicken Kyiv, chicken fillet with garlic or herb butter filling. Buckwheat, grains common in post-Soviet countries, has an interesting taste. Varenyky, cheese pancakes, sweet cottage cheese pancake served with sour cream or jam. Geruny, potato pancakes. Холодец, meat, beef or pork aspic prepared with garlic, onion, bay leaf and black pepper. There are special dishes which are cooked during the holidays. Kutya, a mixture of cooked wheat, groats, poppy seeds and honey and raisins. Usually we cook it in Christmas time. Pisanka, decorated hard-boiled eggs for Easter. Korovai, especially wheat bread decorated with different figures made of dough. This could be doves, flowers, or we usually make it for a wedding. The best quality and the least cost coffee you can find in Lviv. Lviv is sometimes claimed to have the most cafes per capita. Old-style buildings scent with aromas from hundreds of Vini-style coffee houses. The national spirit drink is called Horilka, which means burning water. We can say the fact that sometimes it's flavored with chili peppers. Locals also enjoy drinking stewed fruit or Kompot, which is not alcoholic sweet beverage. It is prepared by cooking different types of fruits. And Kyiv Cake for dessert. It was invented by an accident as a result of mistake. The cake consists of different layers, two crunchy nutty meringues, and the topping, which is decorated with nutty-colored buttercream, usually in the shape of flowers. If you want to go to a fancy restaurant and pay just $20, you could definitely come to Ukraine. And if you are planning your visit, you can order my private tour. I will be happy to help you. Goodbye!